Did you know that in 2023, 86.9 million American households have pets, and that a whopping 58% of them are owned by Gen Xers and millennials, according to a recent survey by Forbes? Another survey from USA Today reports that pet owners spend an average of about $4,000 on their furry loved ones. Which begs the question, can pets be claimed as dependents to offset some of their costs? Well, the short answer is no. Pets can't be claimed as dependents, but there are certain circumstances when pet-related expenses can be filed as tax deductions. So what, do you ask, are those special circumstances? Well, the IRS is very specific and require thorough and meticulous documentation, but here are some expenses that may qualify. Number 1, service animals like guide dogs for the blind or service dog for persons with disabilities may be eligible for tax deductions for food, grooming, training, or even veterinary costs. But your animal has to be specifically trained or certified, and you may need a medical doctor's note indicating that your pet is a medical necessity. So Fluffy in a cute Target shirt that says emotional support animal may need a little bit more proof than that. Number 2, animals who are a normal part of your business operations, like guard dogs, may also qualify for tax deductions. But be prepared to present complete records proving that your animal is an ordinary and necessary part of your business. Has your dog taken over as the star of your YouTube channel that's now being monetized? Or maybe your cat is hitting it big in the advertising scene. In that case, your pet's expenses may qualify as tax deductions for your business. Now, the same rules apply. Keep good records of all income and expenses related to your pet's job. If you have expenses related to fostering animals, they may be counted as charitable donations and therefore tax deductible. That is, if you are fostering through a qualified nonprofit. Now, most animal shelters will cover expenses for food and veterinary expenses, but anything beyond that may qualify. Check with the organization you're fostering through to verify what their nonprofit status is. Number 5, in certain states, you may be able to deduct pet-related moving expenses from your state taxes if the move is related to work, like a job relocation. Now, this no longer applies at the federal level, but it may be worth a look at in your state if you're planning a work-related move that will involve your pets. Now, there are several important things to remember if you want to take advantage of these tax deductions related to your pets. The first is that you have to itemize your tax deduction, so you'll have to determine whether all your tax deductions, including those for your pet, will be greater than the standard tax deduction for your filing status. The second is to remember to keep impeccable records of all your income and expenses related to your pets. And finally, speak to a local tax professional who is well versed not only on the federal tax laws, but your state tax laws as well. A good tax professional will be able to clearly guide you on the types of expenses for your pets that will be tax deductible. If you like this video, make sure you check this one out where I talk about the latest federal tax brackets, or this one where I share even more money tips. Until the next video, have a good one.